tell us that Marty would never be in a mainstream, but he did.
Yes.
You know, it tells you what you can't do, but never tell you what you can do. It takes research. You know, June diligently worked with him, and I worked with him until we got him where we want. They tell us that Marty would never get a diploma. Can you imagine? Go to school just to get a certificate. That won't happen. Marty will get a diploma. When that money found out that Marty only needs 2 credits to get his diploma. It is going to happen. You know, we got good teachers. We got teachers everywhere trying to do what they're supposed to do. But we don't know what to do. You know, I don't need that mouthpiece. I have no problem. My passion is to be that mouthpiece. I will talk for you. I will say what needs to be said. I will research what needs to be done. But I will make sure that there is not one child in this district or anywhere that's not getting what they need. Resources are there, but we don't know. Resources are available, but they don't tell us. But how do we know unless somebody tells us? So today, I stand before you and telling you that my passion is not just making sure that everybody get what they need, but everybody exceed in what they need. So if you want a mouthpiece, you got it. If you want someone to speak for you, you got it. If you want somebody to say what's right and what's wrong, you got it. But today, I'm asking you to help me to make this come true. So get out there and help me walk. It's gonna be hot. Get out there. Get out there and help me talk. It's gonna be hard. But I want you to get out there and do what you're supposed to do. Because it's not gonna happen because I talk that much. It's gonna happen because we work. So I'm asking for your support. I'm asking for your prayer. I'm asking for you to do what we're supposed to do. But at the end of the day, at the end when everything is done, I can tell you for sure, victory is ours.